G. Deepak from Aditya Vidyashram Residential School, Ponche. My project name is weatherdude. My project 3D printer case is made up of carbon fiber and the filament diameter is 1.75 mm. And this is my project hardware. The project hardware are and Raspberry Pi Pico, MQ2 sensor, BMP280 sensor, MPU 6050 sensor, and an SD card module. This is the PCB I used for the connection. I have used Python for coding the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now the data from the MQ2 sensor, BMP280 sensor and MPU 6050 sensor, all the data will be saved to the SD card, and we can see the data in live by using a B-type USB cable connected to the laptop, and using the dashboard we can see the data. Now I connected my Raspberry Pi Pico to the laptop, and now you can see the dashboard on the screen. Now I am taking the LPG and showing to the MQ2 sensor. The values are showing and it is showing hazards. And now I am taking the LPG gas lighter from the sensor, and it is going to become moderate or good. Now I am keeping the MQ2 sensor to the smoke. Now you can see the values are changing. Now you can see that in the movement I am changing the MPU 60 sensor movement, so you can see in the dashboard the values are changing. With that 3D model of my satellite also moving. Now you can see in weather, temperature, humidity and the pressure. Now I am keeping the BMP sensor in a cold room, so you can see as cold. Now I am keeping the BMP sensor to the normal room, it is showing sunny. My project is a prototype satellite. Even though we can advance the project, and even though we can add more sensor, and we can make it as a real model in the future. Thank you.